students, today we'll start a new chapter of class 5, that is how many squares. So students, you must be familiar with two words, that is square and rectangle. So what is the shape of square? All the four sides, as we know, square is having all the four sides are equal, and in rectangle the shape is like this or like this. So in square all four sides are equal, and in rectangle how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides है, लेकिन all are not equal. Only opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So now here are some formulas, that is area of square and perimeter of square, and here area of rectangle and perimeter of but we should know what is area and what is perimeter. So what is perimeter? The distance around a shape. तो ये क्या होगा? किसी भी स्क्वायर का और रेक्टेंगल का किसी भी शेप का बाहर का एरिया. वी कॉल इट पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया the space taken inside, that is called area. So what is the formula of area of square? This area of square is equals to side multiplied by side. These are sides, ये sides हैं, and all the sides of square are equal. Suppose अगर ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है तो ये भी 3 सेंटीमीटर होगा, ये भी 3 सेंटीमीटर होगा, and this one also 3 centimeters. So area of square is side into side, or we can say side square, and perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side. It means 4 multiplied by side. Next, area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? This is called length and this is called breadth. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. L into B. The next perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. Now we'll do some questions related to these formulas. Now find the area of square whose side is 9 centimeter and also find its perimeter. So here one square whose side is 9 centimeter. As we know, all the sides of square are equal. So we have to find the area. As we know the formula, area of square is equals to side into sides. So side is given 9 centimeter into 9, that is 81 centimeter square. Then next we have to find perimeter also. So what is the formula of perimeter of square? 4 multiplied by side. So we have given side is equals to 9. So 4 multiplied by 9, that is 36 centimeter. Next is find the area of rectangle whose length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So length given is 3 centimeter and breadth is equals to 8 centimeter. As we know, the formula of area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth, that is length is 3 and breadth is 8. So 3 into 8 is 24 centimeter square. Then next, perimeter. We have to find the perimeter also. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Two length plus breadth. 2 will be here, bracket, length is 3, breadth is 8. So 2, 3 plus 8, 11, 2 multiplied by 11 is 22 centimeter. The blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. This blue triangle is half of this big rectangle. Area of big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So the area of big triangle is dash square centimeter. So as we know, area of big triangle is already given. Area of big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So what will be the area of the blue triangle? We have to find the area of blue triangle. So this is given in question. The blue triangle is half. As we know, blue triangle is half the area of big rectangle. So area of big rectangle is 20 and its half will be 10 square centimeter. So the area of big triangle is 10 square centimeter. Now next question is, there are two halves of two different rectangles. Find the area of two rectangles. What is the area of blue triangle? Now question is, first we have to find the area of this rectangle and we have to find the area of this green rectangle. Then we have to find the area of the blue triangle, which is half of both the rectangles. So first we will find for area of the blue orange rectangle. Area of orange rectangle. What is the formula of rectangle? Area of rectangle, length into breadth. So let's see what is the length. Length is 3 multiplied by breadth is 1, 2, 3, 4. Breadth is 4. This is breadth and this is length. So what is the area of orange rectangle? 4 into 3 is 12 centimeter square. Then next, area of green rectangle. Length into breadth. Let's see. Length of green rectangle is 2 and breadth 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 4 is 8. So now we have to find area of blue triangle. So what will be the area of big triangle, blue triangle? As we know, this is half triangle, that is half of this rectangle is 12 minus 6, that is 6. Half of 12 is 6 plus half of green rectangle, that is 6, that is 8. 8 minus 4, sorry, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So what it will be the area of blue triangle? 6 plus 4, that is 10 square centimeter. So here the area of this blue triangle will be 10 square centimeter.